Suppose you are a senior citizen above the age of 60 years and you have got some property in your name, either individually in your name or jointly with some other, and any of your child is forcing you or is asking you to transfer that property to him or her, either by way of any gift deed or a release deed or a sale, then how can you protect your rights in the future so that if the relationship gets strained, then in that situation you protect your rights in the twilight years? Well, as per section 23 of the Maintenance of Senior Citizens Act, you have a right to safeguard your future. As per section 23, it says transfer of property to be void in certain circumstances, where any senior citizen who has transferred by way of gift or otherwise his property, subject to the condition that the transferee shall provide the basic amenities and basic physical needs to the transferor, and such transferee refuses or fails to provide such amenities and physical needs, the said transfer of property shall be deemed to have been made by fraud or coercion or under undue influence, and shall, at the option of the transferor, be declared void by the tribunal. So, if you incorporate in the release deed or the sale deed or the gift deed this clause that the transferor or the children must provide the physical amenities and all the services which are required by a senior citizen for the fag end of their life, and if that child or such children does not provide that physical services, then in such scenario the senior citizen may file an application in the tribunal, senior citizen tribunal, for the cancellation of the release, sale or gift deed. As per a recent judgment of the Supreme Court titled as Sudesh Chikara vs. Ram Devi and another, Civil Appeal number 174 of 2021, dated December 6, 2022, the Supreme Court said that it must be pleaded by the senior citizen that the transfer of the property was made with this condition that the transferee or the near relative to whom the transfer has been made, it was on this premise that he will provide the physical services at the later stage of life. If such pleading is not there or such clause is not mentioned in the deed, then the sale deed or the gift deed or the release deed cannot be cancelled as null and void. So it must be remembered while drafting the sale deed or the gift deed or the release deed in favor of your child that the senior citizen must incorporate this clause in the deed to protect their future life. Thank you.